Hey guys, Courtney here with Southern Owls, and today we are going to be making this really cute stocking kit that's available on my website, theSouthernOwls.com. So welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for being here. In the kit, you're going to get this super cute stocking, a roll of ribbon, and some greenery to add into our boots. I'm going to provide you with the cable tie and pipe cleaner. So let's get rolling. We are going to start off by making a beautiful bow. So we're going to grab that ribbon and we're going to do a 6-inch tail. And we're going to start off with some 5-inch loops. Yeah, that's going to be perfect. Some 5-inch loops. So we're going to measure at the 10. Give it a pinch and bring it to your hand and then twist so it's always facing the right direction. And this is going to be a big, beautiful bow. So we're just going to keep on pinching and twisting. We're going to do 4 layers at 10 inches, okay? And then we're going to snip this off at the 6, okay? And we're going to pick it right back up because I want to have a couple different tail lengths in there. And we're going to pick up our thumb and lay that ribbon right down. And now we're going to shrink to the 9. So this is going to be 4.5 inches if you're using your bow maker. Shrink to the 9. We're going to do 4 of these also. It's going to be a beautiful, beautiful Christmas bow. If you're using a bow maker, these are now 4.5 inches. So we did 4 5 inches. 4 4.5 inches. Okay. Clip off that 6 again. All of the tails are going to be 6 inches. And we're going to come back one more time because I want to make sure that our bow has tails. So we're going to do that 6-inch tail again. We're going to add a couple more loops. You're doing great. We're going to shrink them down to the 8 now. So that's going to be 4-inch loops. So we're going to do 2 4-inch loops right in the middle. And then we're going to flip the ribbon upside down and flip it over your thumb. Lift up your thumb so that ribbon slides underneath. Okay. And twist in 6 inches. So now we have this beautiful big bow. We're going to grab that cable tie that came into your kit and wrap it around your bow. Get it started, but don't do it all the way. We want to save a little bit of space so we can thread that pipe cleaner through. Get it nice and tight. And then grab your nippers and get that extra little cable tie off. And now, since everything is nice and snug, we can start moving and manipulating where we want all of our loops to fall and the tails. So just kind of start manipulating where you want everything to go. I'm going to lay this on the table and we are going to dovetail all of those ribbon tails. So we're just going to take it, snip it, fold it in half, cut up at an angle. Same thing all the way around. Okay. And now we have a beautiful bow. Beautiful, beautiful bow. Start moving these little loops all the way around and spreading out those tails. Beautiful stacked bow. Love it. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, I love that bow. That is beautiful. Okay, we're going to put this at the top of our grapevine. So if you look at your Santa boot grapevine or stocking, you can see that there's this like brown wire. So I actually use that wire and I'm going to slip my pipe cleaner underneath the wire. Okay. And that's how I'm going to secure my bow and then just give those pipe cleaners, okay, A few good little twists. Make sure your bow is where you want it. I want mine off-center just like that. It looks good. So we're going to come back around and we're just going to clip off those pipe cleaners and then tuck them. So now that our bow is on, let's manipulate where we want everything to go. Make sure everything looks good. I'm loving it. I love a big loopy bow. So darling. That bow be bowing. Good job, friends. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this greenery that comes in the kit and we're going to peel it apart. We're not going to stick this whole thing in here like that. Hold on, let me get these scissors. Kind of tear that paper. Rip that paper down a little bit. There we go. Making a mess. And then this should all just kind of peel off. So you can have all these little sticks, all these little pieces, individual. I have to cut this little paper over here just a little bit. Be careful. Okay. All right, so now we have all of our little individual pieces. These are a little long. We don't need them to be too long, so I'm just going to kind of nip them as I go. I have my hot glue pot going. So grab your nippers and just nip off a little bit of that, okay? And we're going to dip this part into our hot glue. If you don't have a hot glue pot, no worries, my friends. You can use a hot glue gun. Just be careful. So I'm dipping this in my hot glue pot. You want to make sure that your hot glue is the consistency of honey, okay? And then we're just going to pick up that bow a little bit and start placing this greenery underneath the bow. And we're just going to go, I'm going to leave the pine cones, let's see. We're going to make sure that pine cone's showing. We'll do a pine cone now. I was going to say we'll save those for the end, but we'll do them now. All right, so we're going to just rotate our bow. Lift it up a little bit. Make sure that when you're hot gluing, it's sticking into the bow or onto the grapevine. Make sure that that glue is sticking to some sort of element on your wreath, okay? All right, we're just going to keep on doing that, rotating it, putting this greenery in. Every so often. Put the other pine cone up here now. Be careful that you don't burn yourself, my friends, okay? We're just adding these in. Just kind of creating a little green base. Two more. And it's really going to help kind of just add a little bit of color. And it's going to make this bow not look so camouflaged in with our stocking. So adding these little bits of greenery really kind of helps that bow stick out and pop from our design. I want to put this guy over here. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, you see how I did that in a full circle, just all around my bow. So now we're going to take this really fun pick and we're going to peel it apart. I love this with the little glitter and the little pine cones and berry accents. I think this is going to be super cute to add in next. Kind of just peeling that paper off of here too. so it doesn't look so crazy. Okay, so now we're gonna start adding, I think I actually might want to cut some of these and kind of put them, yeah, let's cut these in half. So you see, I'm just gonna cut right where those berries are. Okay, I'm gonna cut this down just a little bit more, and we're gonna stick this more like on top inside that layer. So the darker green was all underneath the bow, and now we're gonna start putting these in the bow. Be really careful. Okay, that makes sense how it's like in the bow. So we're going to do a few in the bow, and then we'll put some outside of the bow also. Let's do another one with the pine cone. Let's cut that one off. Kind of do a little opposite action going. We'll do that one on that side, and then we'll come directly above it and do another little pine cone piece with the berry on the opposite side. Oh, that's cute. Okay, and let's put these little pieces coming out. Underneath, we're going to lift up and kind of have those just sticking out of the bow. Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. Where'd that extra piece go? Here it is. Put that down just a little bit. We're going to go opposite from where that piece was. Guys, this would be such a good little Etsy shop filler, or if you do craft shows, this would be such a cute little project to do for craft shows. Okay, we got 3 of these. We're going to put these. Oh, I kind of think I want to. Oh, I don't know. Oh, decisions. Kind of like how simple it is. I don't know if I really want to add. I think I'm going to cut these also because I feel like it's really long. All right, we're going to cut these little guys and stick them in individually also. So I'm just peeling back right where those berries are and just cutting right above the berries. I feel like they're just kind of bulky. So, and we're going to start adding this in also underneath the bow, like how we started before. And I'm going to go in between that original greenery that we put down. So we'll do one bulkier aspect, you know, one bulkier item with the berries, and then we'll do just the greenery in between the original greenery that we put in. Oh yeah, that's perfect. That's exactly what I want. Yes. Yes. How's everyone doing today? I don't know if I've asked. I just kind of got right into the tutorial. How are my outlets doing today? If you're enjoying this kit, make sure that you leave me a comment. If y'all want more kits in the future, let me know. Let me know. I have some tricks up my sleeve, so always make sure that you subscribe to my channel and that you are an official outlet, which just means you subscribe to my email list, which is on my website, www.thesouthernowls.com. And with all of that, sorry, hold on. I try to peel some of that paper off. The paper gets a little dangerous if you don't, let me get my, hold on. Paper can get a little dangerous in this glue. If you're an official outlet and you subscribe to my email list, you'll be the first one to know whenever I drop a kit or anything like that. So always make sure that you subscribed, and you'll know whenever, you'll be first to know when I drop a kit. Oh gosh, Isn't that perfect? Y'all, that is so cute. And you see how easy that was? That was 2 picks, 1 bodacious bow, and then these grapevines. I love these. I feel like these are such a good, cute little shop filler. This turned out really, really cute. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Of course, my friends. Thank y'all so much for being here today. And I cannot wait to craft with y'all again soon. Bye, everyone.